Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to check out another road. Cross your fingers, hopefully it's a good one. Who knows? There's so many of these out here. It's crazy. Crazy. So right before this is when I found this wheel and the whole hub, the rotor and brake assembly and all this stuff, the axle beside the road. I'll post that little clip right here. Hey guys, I'm out riding around and I was fixing to go on another trail, looks like right here maybe. Well, that looks like no trespassing past the purple. But I see this stuff. Somebody had a pretty good wreck here. Check this out. I don't know what kind of vehicle that off of. Maybe somebody knows what kind of vehicle that is. But check this out. This is the extreme part right here. Are you serious? General Motors. I mean, check it out. It's even got the whole knuckle. Look at this thing. What's this off of? Anybody knows? Holy cow, that is heavy. A big dual plunger caliper for the brakes. My God, that's heavy. It's obviously a Chevy truck, maybe. Look at there. I mean, somebody had a bad day. There was one hell of a wreck right here. But this is laying out here. Evidently, when they cleaned up from a wreck, unless it fell off a vehicle. I just doubt that because there's another part there. It looks like somebody had a real bad wreck. But that dude is mangled. But that thing's heavy duty. Check out, snap this off. Right here. Crazy. I don't know. Comment what that come off of. Looks to me like a 3/4 ton or 1 ton Chevy truck or something. Pretty crazy. But I just seen that. Thought I gotta video that part. There's another little piece there, a piece of rubber or something. Well, I thought I seen another road there, but it wasn't. Oh, go run out blinker fluid, leaving that signal on. I have been pretty good about it on this bike for some reason. Not doing it so much. The 250L, it seemed like I've done it all the time. And there I done it. This one's going to be another one so far. There's no challenge, but it's a neat road to ride. It's pretty flat. Which is probably better when you're by yourself. At least I ain't rolling around on them big rocks and skinning my head up. Uh-oh, what do we got here? So there's one that goes that way. And then this one goes straight on. I don't know. I never seen a sign saying private property. I never seen no purple. Hopefully I don't get shot. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm on the Mark Twain. Some people, I don't know why people do it, but if you own a piece of property out like this, why in the world would you not put a sign at the road saying private property or something, just so people don't go down it all the time? If I owned it, I wouldn't want everybody going down my road all the time. So put a sign up there just to deter people. Now, some people, it ain't gonna stop them anyway. And this one, hopefully it is Mark Twain. Pretty cool through the cedar trees here. Now this one I'm positive I've never been on before. I don't ever remember anything, or this one anyway. There's one that goes down through there, or used to. Uh-oh. We have cometh to the endeth. They got a pile put up there. We'll go back and see where that other road goes. The road to nowhere. I do miss Blake and Kevin riding. He's had a lot of good times. Kevin's moved off out to Arizona where my other son is, Scott. So they both live out there. Where it's nice and warm. But hey, it's probably just as warm here today. Oh. Back tire went sideways on that. Got in a rut there. And again. Nice place to put your tire. How about taking it to the dump? Dispose of it properly. So it was like $2 to get rid of your tire. People don't want to pay that no more. I don't think they ever did. Well, this trail has been drove because I can see how the leaves are smashed down by the vehicle's tracks here, the tires. Get down here and somebody's making some moonshine or some chiba. Now see, it used to go right up through there too, and there's a mound there. This one is at a pond. Sometimes it's a pond. I don't know. Don't see nothing there worth a darn. Let's go this way. Cut back around here. See where that other one goes. Maybe nowhere. This way. More trash. Holy cow. Yeah, that don't go nowhere. Into the brush, and then there's a mound right there. Well, darn the luck. I guess this is where we turn around, guys. A sharp turn. Well, it was worth checking out. It's kind of hard riding here. There's you can't see it in the leaves, but there's a rut, and I'm trying to stay between them where the water's washed down through there, and my back tire wants to keep sliding off in it. But I can tell you, these tires are far better than the stock. I tried to hit second gear and actually hit neutral. Screwed up my wheelie. Well, there's a lot of sassafras out here. I ain't done it in a while, but we like to get those roots, dig the roots up from the sassafras and make sassafras tea. We used to do it all the time when the kids were little. Let's see here. This is sassafras right here. This ain't. This is just like a white oak here, but this sassafras right here. Now, you don't want to dig those up, too much trouble, but you dig up the little ones and take the roots, boil them, and make sassafras tea. It's actually pretty good. Which is what they used to make sarsaparilla out of. Root beer, that's why it was called root beer. Because it was made from the sassafras roots. Nowadays, it's all imitation, artificial flavoring and stuff. If you've been in the woods as long as I have, you actually learn to identify the trees by the bark. You know, when you're in the winter and you ain't got the leaves on, the leaves make it a lot easier to identify them, but you learn to identify by the bark. Now this sassafras wood, there's a lot of it here like these. I've seen them a lot bigger, real big, and it is, if you've ever cut it before, you know what I'm talking about. It's super lightweight wood. And it burns up real fast. I mean, it's good kindling. You chop it up small, man, it makes super kindling because it lights real easy and it burns hot, but it burns fast. But we always used to cut a lot of sassafras just to have for fire starters because it works real good. You wouldn't want to put it in there to hold fire overnight. When it dries out, it really burns good. Well, that's it, guys. I'm back to the road again. A little bit of a short video, but thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Check out my Amazon store link below. I got lots of 300L stuff, Jeep stuff, 250L stuff, tires, parts. Pretty much everything I use on my bike is on there. And I'm going to head back this way, I think. But I'll catch you all on the next one. Ride on.